Hey, welcome back to Team 461's Week 5 update, starting with the OI team. So come with me. Hey, Annika, how are the Woody Flowers essays going?
It's going fine. Yeah, it's great. It's full.
You know it's due tonight, right?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, as long as you make sure to finalize it, like, right now.
Yeah, I'm almost done. I mean, how's the impact, Ashley?
It's going great. Anyway, now for the tech team updates. So, Hafsa, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just hi. Wait, what? Okay, I'm just following Tegan because he just printed out the electronics mount, and the electronics get mounted to it, right, Tegan? Speak your truth.
So what's going on?
So like I just CNC'd this electronic mount to put the electronics on for the comp pot. Yeah.
Awesome, nice work. Let's see what's happening over here. Wow, Isaac, tell us what's happening here.
They're currently replacing the rivets because apparently we used the wrong kind of rivet. And we're just watching them because I'm waiting for them to get done.
Okay, sounds good. Lots of trial and error. Now, on to the programming. All right, now with the programming team. Wow, Leo, can you tell us what you're doing?
I'm doing stuff. I'm trying to make the temperature show up in the top left of my screen.
On Reddit?
No, on Pop OS. I'm also
Very
waiting
productive.
for them to do stuff.
Okay.
Because like it's kind of a one-person job.
Okay. Wow, Anish, what are you doing here?
I'm trying to tune this monstrosity of a pivot, elevator, and wrist system, and I'm having a lot of fun.
Wow, you look like you're having a lot of fun.
Thanks. Oh, there. Okay, now try it. For what? Try lifting it up. Yeah, okay, now put it back down. And I wonder what's gonna happen. No, I tried to...
Where am I? Oh my gosh, what is that? Wait a minute. That's Rowdy 25, the robot that our CAD team just finished modeling on Onshape. And is that a circuit? Because you've got my heart wired just right. Anyway, that's it for our Week 5 updates.